Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys our fish, so let's just get into the video. So the first fish is my brother's fish. Here is the fish tank, guys. It's so dirty, but I will clean it tomorrow. But yeah, here are the fish. Oh, let me take one. So hard having fishes around because we have to feed them, clean their tank, and also stop getting the fish. This fish is stupid. Look at this. I cannot help you. Here's the fish. He's jumping, but guys, here's my fish right here. I got a lot of fish there. So the fish is in the tank. Yeah, I know, guys. Like, so we have a new fridge here. It's so big. Okay. I don't really got a lot of views about all of my vlogs, but I hope this will get a lot of views. Bye, guys.